and so she put on it because last year a friend of hers, well, because she's got many friends, a friend of hers who has a biplane, an open biplane, a really old one, First World War style. He got a bicycle down at the end, in an airfield there. So he said, and don't get me wrong, I don't mind £100 going, but I just don't want to go up in the air with it.
Can you just say I'll give you 120? Can I not go up?
Well, I've given the 100, but I was going to say you two.
What kind of soft drinks was that when we arrived this morning?
Yeah, 6 or 6.
Yeah, well,
There's a big exhibition last week.
he was in
Yeah. We got
that
I had some before and Graham was going to do it next year. So it was going to be
behind the
There's a big step into it.
Pretend. I've got to pretend, because otherwise they've got my salary.
Hiya. Yes, thank you.
You make it say they actually pay.
I didn't see him. I don't declare it on the tax.
I don't declare it on the tax.
People stop and talk and...
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sure I got him, other people play it. It's up. Oh yeah.
Really? Well, where's mine? Where's theirs?
I didn't know at the time.
You can see.
I don't know what I have to do with it. Don't just leave it to me.
So worthwhile.
Everyone liked him,
And you
got a photo you say of him?
which is understood.
So I can get to Scotland tonight.
Tell me that's not on. When you make a move on to your garden.
Someone says what? Sorry. What?
You're enjoying this too much.
What do I not know about? What have I got to say no to?
Nothing, dear.
Right, okay.
Someone's selling off certain bits of stock.
They
Which I didn't
are.
know.
They are.
So as soon as they were saying,
I don't quite know what's going on. He's having one of his mad moments where everything's just disappearing and it's all going.
Disappeared yet?
Well, no, but it's all just going and he's having a big sort out. It's the opposite of hello.
We charge extra for the entertainment.
do you ever fancy going to the coffee garden? Yeah, absolutely. Well, still arranged that. And with Gareth at the band.